So this is Capstone project 1A, and step 1 it is saying change the theme of the workbook to office. So for that, go to page layout tab, and then here's the themes drop down, and then select office. So after that, on the department's worksheet, so switch to department worksheet, change the width of column C through H to 12 characters. So column C, and then hold shift key and then click on H. I just click here and then drag it until H. After that, right click, oops, C through H, and then right click, and then here is the column width, and then enter 12, and then hit OK. And then it is saying change the height of row 1 to 21 points. So click on row 1, right click, and here is the row height, and then enter 21, then hit OK. After that, it is saying merge and center the contents of range A2 through J2. So A2 through J2, and it is saying merge and center. For that, go to home tab, and here is the merge and center option in alignment group. So after that, format the merged range A2 through J2 as described below. Apply 40% accent 5 cell style. So for here is the cell style drop down, and then 40% accent 5. Okay. After that, it is saying apply bold formatting. So click here and then Control B, or you just can click here and go here and select this B. And then it is saying change the font size to 14. So again click here and then type 14 in here and then hit enter. After that, enter value shown in table 1 to the corresponding cell A5 through E5. So from here to here we need to fill this. So just copy it and then select A5 through E5, and then right click and then match destination formatting. So this is done. In the step 7, it is saying format the range A5 through J5 as described below. So A5 through J5. Center cell contents. So for that, here is the center option. Let's click here. And then it is saying change the font size to 11 points. So here under the font group, here is the 11 points. Click enter. And change the background color to blue accent 5 lighter 40%. So blue accent 5 lighter 40% background color. So just select in here and then here is the background color, and then blue and then 40%. Pressing accent 5 lighter 40%. Okay. And then apply wrap text to the cell in cell. So again select these, through these, and then here is the wrap text. Now it is saying select the range A6 through J14 and add a white background one border to all sides of each cell. So A6 through J14, and then go to borders and then line color, and then this one select this white background one. Now hit escape and then again go to border and then all borders. So it will apply that style and borders. After that, it is saying select range A14 through J14. So A14 through J14, and then add a thin top border to each cell using automatic color. So for that, let's change the color back to automatic and then hit escape and then go here and then top border. Okay. After that, select the range S6 through S15 and then format the range as described below. So S6 through S15, S6 through as 13. Okay. Format the range with percentage number format with 0 decimal points. So for that, go to this number group and then click on this icon and then select percentage and it is saying with 0 decimal points. So then hit enter. Add a highlight cells condition formatting rule that formats cells that are greater than 0.24. So go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule greater than, and it's 24%. So 0.24 means 25% as light red fill with dark text. This is already done. Now hit OK. After that, select the range I6 through I13. So I6 through I13, and then use conditional formatting to add solid orange data bar. So conditional formatting data bar solid, and this is orange. And now it is saying step 12. Now step 12, it is saying select the range J6 through J13. So J6 through J6 through J13, and then add top bottom conditional formatting rule to format the top 10% of value as green fill with dark green text. So go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, or no highlight cells rules. It is saying to format the top 10%. So top bottom this one, and top 10% of value as green fill. So green fill with dark green text. Now hit enter. And again repeat the same step, but this time it's bottom 10% with light red fill. So light red fill and hit enter. Enter a formula in cell M7. So click M7 and then formula starts with equals to sign and it is saying VLOOKUP function. So VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and now lookup value is M6. Lookup at the department M6 using an absolute reference. So for absolute reference, select this cell and then click F4, or you just type $sign here. Using absolute, source the staff table, the range. So table array is A6 through J13. So again absolute reference. Now wrap it with $sign or just select the cell and enter F4. Again select the cell and enter F4. And return the department name, the second column. So click second and then hit OK. Now it is saying copy the formula in M7 to the range M8 through M15. So click here, go to corner, plus sign will appear, and then drag it until M15. 14, so 15. Okay. M15, and edit the copied formula to return the value from the column indicated by label in column L. So this is department. Let me expand it. So this is department and it is in column 2. So we entered column 2 in here. But this is MD. MD is in column 3. And likewise these are in respective columns. So let's change the column name. So this is in column 2. For this it is column 3. Yeah, 3. And for this 4. And then for this 5. For this 6. And then 7. And then 8. And then 9, finally 10. Okay, in cell C17, so C17 using the today function. Okay. So start with equals to sign and then today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and then enter, and then delete column O. So column O, delete this, right click and then delete, and hide row 18. So row 18, right click and then click hide. Now on the budget worksheet, so switch to budget worksheet. It is saying create a 2D pie chart based on the non-adjacent range A5 through A12. So firstly let's select A5 through A12 and then F5 through F12. So now hold command or control key and then click F5. Now hold shift and then F12, or you can just drag it. Okay, so F5 through F12. Modify the chart as below. So it is saying 2D pie chart. So for that, go to insert tab and then here is pie chart, then is 2D pie chart. Just click here. Now we need to resize it. So resize and reposition.